Welcome to the USAA Banking Benefits tutorial. Today, we'll explore the various account perks that USAA has to offer. USAA membership is open to individuals who are active duty, veterans, and their eligible family members. USAA offers a variety of accounts including checking, savings, and investment options tailored to your financial goals. Let's break down the account fees and minimum balance requirements to help you budget effectively. Access your accounts anytime, anywhere with USAA's innovative mobile and online banking features. Your security is our priority. Discover the tools and practices USAA utilizes to keep your information safe. Need assistance? USAA offers multiple customer service support channels to help you get the answers you need. Banking with USAA comes with unique advantages that set us apart from traditional banks. Enjoy additional perks, such as access to financial planning services, insurance products, and exclusive discounts. Thank you for joining us. We encourage you to explore USAA's banking options and take advantage of all the benefits available.